welcome back. It is Tay Rosé. So I'm starting fresh with nothing on my nails. So I'm going to go in today with this 60-60-100 buffer file, and I'm going to take the soft side and I'm going to buff my nails. I've noticed that this helps for my nail bed to not be as rough as how it used to be. Then I'm going to go in with the Modelone's Builder Nail Gel, and I'm going to put a thin coat of this on my nails. I've noticed that this works out much better versus what I was doing before. And of course, you know the drill. I'm going to cure my hands for 60 seconds. So now I'll be going in with the nail wipes, and I'll be taking my S-Tone and I'm going to wipe off that sticky layer off the top part of my nail bed, just so that way it's much more smoother when I am doing other things. Then I'm going to go back in with that 60-60-100 buffer, and I'm going to buff, not all the way, but slightly buff the top layer of the gel that I put on my nails not too long ago. Of course, I'm going to go in with the nail dehydrator, and I'm going to dehydrate my nails. I'll make sure to link this brand in the description box below. They are very good. I've had this for about a year now, right? And then I'm also going to apply the primer on top of my nails as well. Now with these things, you can do a thin coat, a thick coat. I recommend just going thin, so that way it dries quicker. While that primer and dehydrator is working, I'm going to be looking at these short press-on nails that are from Shein. I've had these for years on end, and I decided, okay, why not do the short nails, especially knowing that this was highly requested from Instagram and Square too, because that shape was also requested from my Instagram friends. For my TikTok friends, I will be doing that video once this set is worn out and I'm ready to do a fresh set. But as you see, I'm finding the shape of each nail, and then you'll see in here that I am buffing out the inside because these come not buffed out at all, and it's best for the nail to stay on longer too. So now I'm going to go in with the nail glue gel, and you know I'm going to do my gel a priest method, and then I'm going to of course do this in a 45-degree angle, and then I'm going to put it underneath this goose lamp. This goose lamp, it works so much better with, it works so much better with shorter nails versus the gel nail lamp that I was using. So I feel like even for my longer nails in the future, I'm going to use this goose UV lamp than what I was using earlier. It just makes everything go by much quicker. The only trick is that you have to count to 16. That is what I did, and I just made sure I put my nail closer to the UV lamp just so that way everything was right. Once I was finished, I just cured my whole hand for 60 seconds, and what you're going to see me do in here also is I'm going to, once that 60 seconds is up, I'm going to turn my hand over so that way the back part of my nails can cure for 60 seconds, because I noticed that the underneath my nails will not cure, and then it tends to lift up pretty easy. So that is my set, and then I'm going to file around my cuticles. So now I put this on the lowest setting, yes, on the lowest setting there is, and I'm using the drill bit with the not so core. It's like the soft nail file. I don't know what it is, I apologize. But I did the low setting on my cuticles. My cuticles were not cut up. Everything was much more smoother. I'm using this gel and file, and of course I'm going to file along the sides of my nails and the top layer of my nails, because there is a tiny little dip with these press-ons. So I decided to file the top part just so that way it wasn't so harsh. It could just be straight all across. So I'm going to take my same 60-60-100 file or buffer, pardon me, and I'm going to buff softly on here so that way the base coat can adhere to these press-on nails. Now moving on to the design process, that is how my nails are looking. I put on the gel and base coat, and I put on a thin amount, but it's a good amount to cover the whole nail. And I know this is a very small amount, but this works like a gem. It is truly amazing. All right, and of course I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to be going in with this Fairy Glow Gel Polish, and this is in 9507. I'll make sure to put an iridescent polish in the description box below. Now, this nail design was inspired by what you'll see on the screen. It's short, but it still is cute at the same time. And this is from Pinterest, so I decided to do that, all right? And of course, I decided to cure my hands for 60 seconds with this nail polish because I wanted it to be, I wanted you to see the color, all right? And I didn't want it to be that clear jelly. I went in with a second coat so you can see it a little more. I don't know if it made a difference or not, but it looked really cute. That's all that matters. It looked very cute towards the end, and you'll see the end results with how everything comes out, all right? All right. So that is how my hand is looking. It's so nice. You can leave your hand like that, but I want to take it the Y2K level up. Before I do that, I take the nail wipes and I take my acetone, and I'm going to wipe off that layer because, again, when you're working with stickers, it will not adhere. So you have to wipe it off with acetone and those no shed wipes. Now I'm moving on to the stickers. Now these stickers came from Shein. I'll make sure to link this in the description box below as well. And I finally found the right tweezers. This is the right tweezers that you would want. And I just carefully decided to peel off any nail sticker that was coming to mind, any nail sticker that stuck out to me, and I decided to put it on my nails. The one thing I can say with these though is you can't take it off too quick or else you're going to rip the stickers, and you gotta put it on smoothly too, because on my right middle finger it is really bumpy because I did not apply it on smoothly. So you definitely want to apply these on smoothly, and you want to rub them thoroughly so that way you know that it is adhered to your nail bed. Okay, just a few pointers of these nail decals before you get started and you get going. But I did have fun with this. Everyone loved it. It was just very simple, sweet to the touch. It wasn't too much going on, especially with these stickers. So now I'm going to go in with the gel and top coat. And I decided to put the top coat over the ones with the stickers already. Or really all my nails. Because this is what really helps to keep your stickers intact. Alright? If you don't have anything on your stickers, they're going to peel off very easily, and that is no bueno, not good. And of course, your girl had to cure for 60 seconds to keep everything intact. So now for those roses that this girl had, I went into this nail cart that I already have. I'll also link this in the description box below, and I'm gonna go in with these roses, and I only apply these to my index and my middle finger. I have my builder nail gel, and I have my rhinestone picker upper to help me with this process. And of course, for this step, I turned on my goose lamp. I only applied a dot on there, a good dot, so that way it can stay on there for the whole 2 weeks before I have to remove these and get a new set. Because I've noticed that if I don't do that much, it will just come off the next day, because that's what happened with my coquette bows. It came off the next day. And as you can see right here, I had to cover my hand away from the sun because the sun was beaming that day. I don't mind, but the sun was beaming and I wanted for this mess to stay adhere. But this is how my nails are looking at the end. Oh, so cute. Thank you for tuning into this nail craze episode, and I'll see you in the next one.